did you?
The blocks are here. Back for another, Lego, no, not Lego ideas thing. It's a free build, a Lego free build. Today I'm gonna be building my signature, end catchphrase, brick on. So, I guess should we start now, Ma? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the B right there. No. That's the B. Does anyone like this B? Okay. Oh, B. Okay.
Jack it up.
This is the R. The second simplest one. Right next to it. It fell apart. The way I can reattach this. If I could just... No, okay. It's falling apart. Alright, there's the R. Kind of looks like a hook. Yeah. Keeps falling apart. The I, that's the simplest one. It's already starting to look like brick. The C. The C. Did something fall? No? Okay. This one is so fragile, If you ever try to make a C out of Legos, it's very fragile. Unless you can make it stable. That's the K. Hope that's a good K. Good K. That spells brick. You can see right here it spells brick. Now we just need to spell on. Be a little bit, Mr. Bird, he can be a little bit loud. So, try not to get annoyed about it. He just laughed. You heard him? You heard him? He just laughed. Okay, that's the O. You see the O? That's right there. That's the O. So right there. Now we just need to spell the N. Oh. No?
Jack it up.
And there's the N. Or, yeah, that's right. That's the end. I mean the N. I said the end, but I meant N. The other way? Okay. Are you sure this is the right way? Okay. So, these are just leftover pieces. So, we should spell it now.
Then
What?
you stand it up.
Stand it up.
Stand it up, okay. Like this? Yard can be tricky to stand up.
You know, I let it in. Get it close enough so you can.
Then it looks weird. Next is the C, right? I'm sorry, I don't like it like that. Maybe I can stand it on something. Can I stand it
On a plate?
On a plate, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sister. Thank you.
There you go.
Flat base plate. And now... Don't know if this is going to be long enough. I'm going to do it like
Yeah.
this.
Get another one.
This is the right way, right?
Mm-hmm. The small one is fine. The small one is fine. The beige one. So,
Thank you.
get on this one. Put these on there.
And since this doesn't have studs...
Nope.
Wrong way?
Yep. There you go.
Can you see right there? Is that right? Brick on. It says brick on.
Where did you?